All right, you might have heard me say that you could use your calculator for this, so why wouldn't I show you? You're right, I should show you. So here we go. I'm going to use a calculator, and we're going to put this in a matrix. So you hit the second button, and you hit the X to inverse button, and that should go second matrix if you hit it correctly. So there we go. And you want to go over to edit, because I want to edit this matrix right now. And so I'm going to edit it, and you get your dimensions. Now you notice the matrix we used was 2 rows by 3 columns. So I'm going to go 2 enter, 3 enter, and it's going to give me the coefficients. Now that's beautificent, right? I can just take it straight off the problem. 3, and then make sure you use the negative, which I can't see. So it's blocked a little there. That's why they always tell you to test these things out before you do them. 3, -5, right? -5, -17. So -17. And then -3. Wow, there's a lot of negatives in this one. -3, enter. And -1, enter. And hey, guess what? -7. Shoot, I just should have divided everything by a -1 and put it in as positives. Probably would have been just as good. Double check. You got a few seconds here. You can go ahead and you can look. You're like, yeah, I got them all in. Perfect. Because calculator's going to do all the work now. So now we're going to go back to second matrix, that same matrix and menu. Oops, you know what? We need to quit out of our matrix editor. So second quit to get out of the editor just in case, because you might still be in one of the entries. All right, second matrix, I'm going to go over to math and look at, if you scroll down, or I'm going to scroll up, look at A, first of all. You might notice that A was REF, or reduced, or a row echelon form. So if you call up row echelon form and then you tell it what matrix, I'm going to say second matrix again and pick number 1. Now it's going to say, give me row echelon form of matrix A, which is one I just entered. It's going to spit it out. Gorgeous. Now you're like, wait, I don't even know. I see the 1 and the 4. The rest doesn't make sense. How about math? Oops, I did not want to do any of that. How about math? And then number 1, change to fraction. And if I look at it again, you might notice it looks a whole lot like what I did there on the paper. So that is awesome. So we got row echelon form. No way could it do reduced row echelon form. Wait a tick. I saw it on there. Second matrix, go over to math, go up to RREF. There it is. And now put in second matrix A, or whatever matrix. Imagine if that was like a 20 by 20 matrix. You could find the answer, right? So hit RREF, hit enter, and oh my goodness, if you know how to read that, you are really happy, right? Every system now has just become super simple if I'm holding a TI 84 or better, right? I can solve 2 by 2s, 3 by 3s, 4 by 4s, almost instantly, right? I mean, I can, as long as I know how to get the information into a matrix and I know how to find the RREF button, this is pretty simple. We're going to use this for problems later on. In the next section, we're going to do partial fraction decomposition. You probably already watched the video. And when you do that, you're going to need to solve a system. And who wants to waste all their time solving a system when the calculator can do it for me? All right, stay happy.